What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. Today we got a nice vlog coming your way. Today it's actually pretty nice here in Michigan. Yesterday was snowing, literally was snowing all night, and today we woke up to a 48-degree weather and it's sunny. Let me just show you guys. Look at that. I can't believe it's sunny and the roads are all clear, and it was just snowing last night. So as you guys can see, Michigan is very bipolar, and I'm in the Mustang today and we are heading to my friend's house right now to check out a few of his cars. All right guys, so we're here right now and just look how filthy that Mustang is. So still dirty from the other day. I'm definitely gonna get it clean today, so just stay tuned for that and check out his AMG. He just wrapped this, if you guys seen in the last video. Here it is in the sun, and just wow, just look how beautiful it is. And let me show you guys the colors he did. He did satin black, this like copper, and it has like a bunch of speckles in there, this army green, and then the original color of the car is right there. So I'm gonna show you guys around that real quick. We got these black AMG wheels. Wow, look at this. It's a camo house here. Look how good the quality of it. Austin did this, the same person who wrapped mine, by the way. So this is his AMG. Check out his red eye though. So this thing is obviously camo. It's a different type of camo though. This thing has more of the browns in there, and the other one has a copper instead of the brown. Let me show you guys around this way because the camera's, I don't know, it's coming out very weird on the camera. Look at that, boy. This thing is all stock, I believe. I'm not sure. I don't think he did anything to it. He got the satin black hood, satin roof, and satin trunk, and then the spoiler is satin. And he also did this right here. He put the red eye symbol right here, which is different. I haven't seen anyone do that. I've seen people do it on a regular Hellcat. I've yet to see somebody do it with the red eye, so that's pretty cool. And also this thing, I'm gonna do a review on this, so comment down below if you guys want to see a review on this car. I drove it once before, but it was during like a snowstorm, so I wasn't really able to get on it. So let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see a review with this car. All right, so we're about to take the red eye off for a drive. So let's get in here. So he got all Laguna leather. Man, this thing is crazy. So you didn't want to get the Alcantara steering wheel, huh?
Actually, this was on the showroom floor. I didn't order it. It was on the showroom floor. Actually, when I first went there, I didn't really even go for a red eye. I was going to go get me, honestly, a wide body Scat Pack. Because it was a wide body Scat Pack. Because I originally was getting a Hellcat, a regular Hellcat wide body from one dealer. I didn't like the business service I had, so I said screw it, I'll just get me a wide body Scat Pack. When I went there, this is on the showroom floor, and I couldn't leave without it. And so I told my sales guy, I said, you know what, I think I'm gonna get that Hellcat. And he said, we're buying a Hellcat, and then it just happened.
Yeah, did you know this was a red eye, or you just thought it was a regular Hellcat?
Oh no, I knew it was a difference in red eye and Hellcats, but like I told you before, I wasn't buying American cars. Like this is my first American car. I was in the phone. Yeah, absolutely, yeah. But I always wanted a Hellcat, but I just couldn't see me spending the money that these things cost. Yeah. But when the wide body dropped, I loved the wide body. Yeah. And then when I was gonna get that Scat Pack, I said to myself, I just couldn't play myself. If I'm gonna spend that amount on a Scat Pack, I had to go for the, for the big one. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we're about to take it out for a drive now. What are you doing to this? Are you gonna modify it?
I'm debating, honestly. I'm debating. My builder, he does all that. He does all. I'm debating about it. I haven't decided.
You could, I mean, even if you put just a pulley and you can stay on 93, it'll still pick up.
If I do whatever I do to it, it's gonna be minimal because I'm honest to God. I mean, even when I do like those little races that we do here and there, I'm not really giving it too much of.
Yeah, you're not.
Yeah, I'm not a racer. You get what I'm saying? Yeah.
Right.
I haven't driven this in weeks.
What's the closest highway here? that's not where we raced. That was the other one, the big one.
Yeah, that's the big one. Yeah. Just watch. They've been on this last week. They've been all over the news. Because we don't have a police department. Ours, but they've been targeting this freeway.
So we just got back from the ride and we went stupid on the highway. I mean, we were hitting some crazy high speeds. And the funny thing is, like I'm gonna show you guys, literally the GoPro completely gave out as soon as we hit the U-turn to try to go on the highway. Literally, it got everything but when we were on the highway.
It's crazy.
Which is pretty disappointing.
And we were dangerously fast.
we were going so fast on the highway, just doing pulls after pulls. Like right now, it's too hot to go back, but I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with the GoPro. I have the Hero 7, and it just completely gave out. So you know, it sucks because like, what if I was racing or we were doing something?
You were just selling it to me too.
Yeah, I was
selling it up.
I was literally, I was literally trying to tell him to go buy one, and I did a bad job now. I mean, that was, but it happened, and that's happened to me a bunch of times, and I know it happens to a lot of people where you record, and then it literally, like, some things you can't redo.
Yeah.
Like, imagine if you do a race or something.
It seems artificial, right?
Yeah. It literally, we're just going out there cruising and just hitting. I mean, we were doing like 3-digit speed runs, and we couldn't get it. So sorry about that, but yeah.
Crazy. What did you do?
Also, guys, make sure you go subscribe to his channel. Super awesome dude. I'm gonna leave his link in the description. We did the video of the AMG last video. I'm also gonna review it coming up here, so go subscribe. This guy is always buying cars, always modifying. I don't think you have a car that's not modified right now.
No, it's a sickness.
No, because he's wrapping his wife's Porsche too.
Stay tuned to the Punisher though. 68 Charger Damon Bill on the channel in real time.
That's crazy. Another thing I was gonna say, there's a guy, I think he's in Dearborn. He has a Chrysler 300, a new one, and he's Hellcat swapping
really?
it. I literally hit him up on Instagram like, dude, when you're done, like, I want to review it.
I wanna see it too,
because he literally put the Hellcat hood, the brakes, the motor.
Like Omi's doing the same thing.
Is he?
Right now.
With a 300?
He just bought one last week.
Oh, wow. Yeah, but this guy it's almost done, so that's gonna be on the channel soon as well. So I was like, that's pretty impressive.
Yeah, you can't beat that.
Because they have the SRT versions overseas.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, they don't, the new ones, they have them overseas, but
I didn't know that.
It's I don't know, they didn't pass certain.
So they didn't let it come up.
They didn't, but there's a Demon and there's a Red Eye out here.
Yeah.
So I don't get how it's safe for a Red Eye, and it's not safe for a 300 with like 485 horsepower. But people in Dubai have them.
Yeah,
so,
okay.
And another thing we were saying, how we were talking about how awesome like Mopars are, and even people like Omi that have had all these crazy cars, and they still choose that.
I would prefer to drive the Red Eye over the Benz. It's a more comfortable ride. Right. It's an excitement that you get. I mean, it's a different. I mean, you can't compare the two. You can't compare.
And even though, you know, I mean, look how beautiful that looks, and he's still willing to go with that. And back to what I was saying, like, there's a lot of people in Dubai that it's very popular for, like, the Hellcats are so popular
over
there
too. I didn't know that.
And over there, I mean, literally,
they have everything.
They have everything. Like,
they have everything.
Like,
I mean,
Lambos are like just like regular cars driving.
They're police cars.
Yeah, they're Lambos and Bugatti. They have one.
Same cars, police cars.
Yeah, they do. They actually do. One, and they're all like white with green stickers everywhere.
I think. Mo Vlogs, I've seen his.
Mo Vlogs, yeah, that's one of the first YouTubers I watched. He shows that whole Dubai lifestyle, and it's motivating.
Absolutely, it is.
It's crazy out there, but yeah, guys. So it was awesome linking up with him. Go subscribe to his channel. So now it's time to take the Mustang to go get cleaned. He's gonna take his AMG out too. So let's hear that starting up. God, guys, wow, that thing is crazy. Let's turn the Mustang on. Which key? It's this one. All right, let's turn this thing on. All right. Oh boy, look how loud this thing is. Let's get in here. All right, let's hit the road. I changed my mind. I'm actually not washing the car today. I'm gonna save it until tomorrow. But in the meantime, I wanna show you guys something that a friend of mine actually showed me. And it's a brand new, literally a brand new Hellcat, a wide body Hellcat Daytona, which is like $83,000. It was almost the same one I reviewed the other day. And this thing has like, I don't know, it looked like it was brand new out the dealership. Somebody drove it out the dealership and crashed it. There's all these pictures I'm gonna show you guys, and this thing is completely smashed and it's being sold right now. One thing I thought about this is not everyone should get a Hellcat. A Hellcat has the most raw power you can possibly get out of a car, and if you don't know how to use it, you could possibly hurt yourself, you could possibly hurt others, you could possibly just completely destroy the car. It may have not been his fault, we don't know, but with a Hellcat you can easily get in trouble with it just because it's such a crazy car. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that car because it was just sad seeing that car, and I thought about you guys and I'm like, I think the vlog would want to see this, so that's why I decided to show you guys.